This is a 360 Extreme video to Belton Library from this Walmart. The Google Maps says to go on this road. Garmin does not agree. I like Google Maps suggestion more. It feels more direct. There's a lot of construction going on though. I know Garmin doesn't know that though. Garmin is just trying to get me to the highway, and I'm not too thrilled about that one. I really don't need to stop here. It's so quiet and peaceful. You know, this road construction may not be so bad with the kind of traffic I'm dealing with. I saw a pig behind the Walmart on the left. He's kind of close to the fence. Oh, there he is. She. Right lane must. No, I think this is how it went. I saw somebody turn this way. Okay. It's 20 miles an hour? Jeez. That's kind of slow.
Yeah. To the end of the street, then turn left.
Now Garmin's come around. I don't know why Garmin didn't even suggest this. So this is a 45-mile-an-hour road, but they suggested 20 miles an hour. Somebody got behind me really quick. Oh no, what? Detour? I go over 2 miles down this road. What is today? It's 9:38. The library opens at 10. It's February 28th. It's on a Friday. Okay. One car behind me, some old lady. 30 miles an hour? But that's for the road work. So I don't think that. Oh my god, though. That guy's bouncing all over the place. I don't think I want to go very fast on this. I'm bouncing. It's a very bouncy road. Doing some construction on the right. Yeah, this area is pretty nice. Nice and green. I fear the heat that it probably experiences. I feel kind of comfortable here if I got stuck. But I definitely want to work my way north for the summer. So 45, Grandma might pass me. Poison Oak. Oh man, yeah, the road is very concerning through here, but not here. Oh geez, good one. 1 mile. Sun's getting a little hot. Oh, she turned. That house is abandoned.
At the end of the street,
road. It's just a nice tree-lined road. Two horses. T intersection. And there's a house at the end. That may not be the best placed house. It does have some protection, but they must be nervous still. You just don't want to sleep at the end of the street. You don't want to have your bedrooms right at the end of the street. It's been mostly safe though.
At the end of the street, turn right.
Okay. Nobody coming up behind me. Looks like a busy road. Nice tree-lined road here.
Right at the stop sign.
So that's the thing. That's the one benefit of this area too, is all these nice shade trees. They drop their leaves for the winter time. So you get some nice broad, fresh leaves for the summer. It might take a while though. You suffer a little bit in the springtime.
1 3/4 miles. Turn right on East 6th Avenue.
On those hot days. Yeah, this is a nice tree-lined road. 45 again. Belton. Alright, I've been doing more driving than I want. Belton seems pretty active. Let me just stop. Okay, starting up again because I gotta break up the video. 7 minutes is too much. That'll burn up my S9. Maybe an old railroad bridge. Oh, what is the speed? 45? Miles an hour.
Turn right at the traffic light.
All right. Okay, are they stopping? It looks like they're stopping. .2 miles, it'll take a look. Penelope Street. Wow.
Turn left on North Penelope Street.
It must be right here. Okay, 0.3 miles and on the left on First.
1/4 mile. Turn left on East 1st Avenue.
Okay. I could be looking at the food bank today, but instead I'm coming to Belton. Really could use that food bank too. Ooh, what is that, a courthouse? That looks pretty nice. Should like to fly my drone around that. Tiger Country. Okay. And then the library.
Turn left on East First Avenue.
Oh, there it is. Okay. Gotcha. This is my left. Oh, hey. Okay.
Arriving at Lane Armstrong Public Library on the right.
Yeah. And then there's general parking in this lot, so I don't need to park in front of the library so much. I'll park a little distance away. I'm on the road still. I'm just kind of creeping along. Oh. Okay. Yeah, right behind this little car. Yeah, that's good. Alright, I want to take a look inside this building. It looks likely to be a courthouse. Alright, it's got some dried mud here, so I guess the water has been up this high. Not so much the case at this point. I'm looking at this area as a potential spot to put the drone in the air. Seems a little more active than I care for. I want to be on the other side, but I'd have to wade through this water. Very clear water. It's quite a construction. Might want to look into the runaway scrape. The runaway scrape. Jail perimeter, no trespassing. What? Yeah, there's just so much activity here. I don't think I can really find anywhere decent. There's just people all over. Every little section, every remote section, there's a visual, somebody who can be a witness to flying. Very pretty around here, but I can't really record it. I'm not confident. Alright, I kind of like this spot. It's not many, I don't think anybody would really see. Just have to move fast with it. I could take off in kind of a hidden spot, sit on the stairs, take off from the ground here. enough clearance for landing at this VFW or something. Oh.